Hi everyone, and today I'm going to give you a 1-minute unboxing of these two products. So both the products were very well packaged, and the first thing we have is the FireShield, which was £4.99. The fire extinguisher cost £10.79, so including delivery I paid £24.99 for both these products. So included with this product is a metal bracket, and the design has a corrosion resistant finish. So there is an unboxing of this fire extinguisher and fire blanket. If you did find this unboxing helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and thanks very much for watching.